Good morning, students. Today I will take you class 6. I will take you a class 6 assistant chapter 2. Okay. How was the wood used in the past? In ancient days, here in your book, we learn about that. How was the wood used in the past? In those days, the wood we use in the past, uh, wood was used as a fire. Okay, wood we use mostly in those days, they use as a fires. Firewood they use as a fire. Okay, it was also used to make huts and tools. In those days, they used to make a huts in the sense small house, with a cord, with the wood they used to make, and they used to live there, and they used to make tools means tools means in the sense, like a weapon we could say. With that they can harm to animals, they can kill the animals, okay, for their food. In those days, they have no like their present age. In those days they didn't plant the paddy, okay, they didn't plant the rice in those days. But not at present, we have plant rice and we have to June cultivation. In those days, they doesn't know what is June, all these things doesn't know. They know what to kill the animals, that's their food. Okay, what is it here in your textbook? Where, what is it? Why they make the hearts, they store all things which they make the tools. Now if they go from one place to another, they will take that tools and they will move, because in those days they have no permanent house. They are they used to go from one place to another. If here if they finish to have this, if not suitable for the place, they will move to the next place. Okay, and they will survive there. After that, after 1 month, 2 months, again they will shift to another place, because they were in search of food. In those days people are living like that. But now we the peoples at present, we have a permanent house, permanent address. But in those days the peoples were not like us. They live from one place to another, and the powers they have is fire. They use fire to make light, to cook meat and frighten animals. In those days they make fire. Fire means they use, yeah, question was just in your textbook. There is one question: why did Dali people use fire? It asks in your book. Okay, they use fire to make light, to cook meat, and to be a frightened animal. In those days fire is very important for them. Okay, they don't know how they make a fires. With the two stone, with the two stone they were traveling and they make a fires. Okay, and the men, they use fires for burning, for cooking in the sense they burn all this, which they kill the animals, they burn this, and they make light to stay warm by themselves, and they make frightened by making fires. The wild animals will not come and attack in the jungle, okay, in the forest. So in this way they make fires to be a frightened animal. In those days the people doesn't know how to cook food and have it. They have no pot, no all these things. Okay, they will collect water from where else, and they will drink from the rivers, and they will just burn the animals flesh, and they will eat. That's their food. But at present, the peoples, we never the ancient people and the present age, we are quite different. I think students, I have explained this much. I think you can understand. If you did not understand, we can discuss in TPS group class 6. Okay, there already for today we'll finish our class, and next day we will continue our class. And okay, thank you, student.